Hey guys, this is your Houston Realtor Cam. We're here checking out the David Weekley model home, the Genoa plan. And right now they are offering incentives. So one of their incentives they're offering is a 2.99 rate buy down. So the first year you'll have a 2.99. The second year you would have a 3.99. The third year you would have a 4.99. And from the fourth year up until the lifetime and duration of the loan, you would have a 4.99. So that is also an option for you guys for all inventory homes. And for any dirt built homes, they are offering a 5.49 interest rate. Now, this floor plan is one story, and it has 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a study, and a 2-car garage. So it's roughly almost 2,300 square feet. And the price is starting roughly at $441. So just to give you a little rundown about the community, this home is located in Jubilee, which is about 30 miles away from Houston, Texas. The tax rate is a 3.3, and their annual HOA dues is $1,200 a month. Now, they're still working on all of the amenities, but once everything is done, they will have a pool and a hangout area. So they are working on it. It's just, this is a new community. So just give it some time, and by summer 2025, the amenities in the pool should be completed. So I'm going to let you sit back and enjoy the house tour.